Turning our attention now to the ASX, here's Matt Birney and Bulls and Bears with the latest public company views and interviews.
Welcome to Bulls and Bears, brought to you today by Fintech personal loan provider Plenti Group, ASX code PLT. I'm Matt Birney and I'm joined now by the CEO of Plenti Group, Daniel Foggo. Hi, Daniel.
Hi there, Matt. Great to join you.
Okay, so Daniel, Plenti's share price more than doubled recently after you announced a big partnership with the National Australia Bank. We'll get into that in just a moment, but firstly, how does Plenti work? Is it fair to say Plenti sits in between people with money and people who want to borrow money, or is that a bit too simplistic?
No, that's right. We're a lending and investment business, and on the lending side, we fund car, renewable energy and personal loans.
Okay, so now there's a lot to unpack with this new partnership between Plenti and NAB. The first collaboration, as I understand it, is around offering specific car and electric vehicle loans. Who puts the money up? Who seeks out the customers and who will manage the clients?
Well, we're leveraging NAB's strength, so they'll be putting the money up, and initially the loans will be targeted or offered to existing NAB customers, and obviously they have a very large customer base.
And what's Plenti's role in all that?
Well, our role is really providing a lot of the technology and a lot of the customer experience, and that goes all the way from the loan application to the credit decisioning technology to loan management thereafter.
And how will Plenti make money out of it?
We make an upfront fee, and then we also get we earn revenue according to the size of the loan book that we have together.
And so have you got any examples of that?
Well, indicatively, if we have $1 billion loan book and we fund $500 million within a year, we'd expect to earn about $20 million.
And are there any minimums under this deal, or is it just pay as you go?
There is a $3 million minimum revenue for Plenti, and that largely reflects a lot of the technology effort that we put into the partnership.
Now, the second part of the partnership is around offering loans to people for renewable energy initiatives like solar panels. Bit curious. Under that deal, who seeks out the customers and who manages the loans and who puts the money up?
This is structured slightly differently. This will be a Plenti branded renewable energy product that will be made available to NAB customers. They'll be referred to Plenti, and then it will be loans that are actually funded by Plenti rather than NAB.
Well, you must really attract NAB's interest, because I understand part of this deal gives NAB the option to buy up to 15% of your company at prices above market. So well done to you, Daniel Foggo from Plenti Group. Thanks for joining me on Bulls and Bears. And remember, we're only here to give you information, not advice, which you should, of course, seek independently. I'm Matt Birney, and this is Bulls and Bears.
For more public company interviews, go to the Money page on the 6PR, 2GB, 3AW and 4BC websites and click the Public Companies tab.